Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage rustic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is a home decorating style that blends the cozy lived-in charm of rustic country aesthetics with nostalgic vintage elements. It emphasizes warmth, simplicity, a sense of history, creating spaces that felt both inviting and timeless. Overall vibe, the style balances rustic simplicity with vintage charm, creating spaces that are warm and welcoming, nostalgic but not cluttered, natural yet crafted. The core philosophy, vintage rustic farmhouse is not just a style, it is a way of creating a home that feels timeless, cozy, and personal. It celebrates this imperfection. Slightly on furniture, chipped paint, and natural textures show character. Sustainability, reusing and repurposing old items. Essential, like vintage furniture, reclaimed wood, and antique decor are common. Comfortable luxury. Practicality and coziness take priority over sleek modern trends. Architectural elements, exposed beams. Wooden beams on ceilings evoke traditional farmhouses, stone or brick walls, and texture, and an earthy, grounded feel. White plank wood floors, often distressed or aged for authenticity. Large windows bring in natural light to complement natural materials. Furniture and layout tips mix old and new. A new sofa can sit alongside an antique coffee table. Multifunctional pitches, storage benches, farmhouse tables, and open shelving are practical and stylish. Comfortable setting, oversized armchairs, slip-covered sofas, and cushioned chairs create inviting spaces. Groupings adds furniture to encourage conversation and coziness. Decorative details, vintage finds, old clocks, mirrors, picture frames, and kitchenware. Handcrafted pieces, crochet towels, quilts, and pottery add individuality. Natural elements, wooden bowls, baskets, red flowers, and herbs connect interiors to the outdoors. The soft lighting, like lanterns, Edison bulbs, and candlelight, create warmth and ambience. Color and texture, layered neutrals, mix shades of cream, beige, gray, and soft white, natural tones. Use wood browns, soft greens, and muted blues, tying with rustic themes. Textures combine smooth wood with rough stone, soft textiles, and open fibers. Layering is key to creating depth and warmth. Room-specific ideas, living room, a rustic wooden coffee table, cozy drawers, windows, lamps, and open shelving for decor. Kitchen, use farmhouse sink, open wooden shelves, antique utensils, and messenger storage. Next, bedroom, use wooden bed frames, quilted bedding, lace curtains, and vintage bedside tables. Bathrooms, use wooden cabinets, distressed mirrors, vintage metal fixtures, and linen towels. Modern adaptation, blending with complementary. Neutral furniture with rustic accents keeps the look fresh. Minimalist vintage, Reduce clutter while keeping vintage rustic features as focal points. Eco-friendly choices, reclaimed materials, second-hand finds, and sustainable textiles fit perfectly with this style. Vintage Rustic Farmhouse Decor is about creating a warm, lived-in home that tells a story. Each piece, texture, and color contributes to a space that feels timeless, comfortable, and connected to both nature and history. Lifestyle and emotional connection. This style is more than furniture and colors. It's a way of living. It evokes slower, simpler living, reminiscent of farm life and country traditions. Encourages mindfulness and comfort. Spaces are meant to be lived in, enjoyed, and shared. Often family centered, with communal areas that invite togetherness. Authentic vintage character. Every item tells a story. An old chest, wooden ladder, or a weathered table carries history. Imperfections are celebrated, cracked in old faded paint, and own fabrics add personality and soul. Mixing eras is common, like Victorian, mid-century, or early 20th century pieces can coexist harmoniously. Key elements of rustic charm: wood and stone, exposed beams, reclaimed oak floors, and stone fireplaces. Natural fibers like linen curtains, cotton throws, jute rugs, and wool blankets. Earthy decor: clipboards, wicker baskets, dried herbs, and wooden utensils. Vintage metals: copper, old iron, and aged brass accents for lighting and hardware. Texture and layers. Layering textures is essential to achieving warmth. Example: a wool throw over a linen sofa, jute rug on wooden floors, crochet dollies on tables. Combining rough, smooth, soft, and old surfaces creates depth and authenticity. Color and mood. Neutral base. Use cream, soft white, base, and cream for walls and large furniture. Earthy accents like browns, terracotta, soft greens, and muted blues. Pastels or faded tones, dusty rose, pale shades, or muted mustard for vintage charm. Color is never too bright, it should feel natural and calming. Accessories and decor, handmade items, use quilted, crocheted pieces, pottery, and wooden carvings. Antique and collectibles, clocks, mirrors, kitchenware, and framed artwork. Use nature-inspired items like jade flowers, pine cones, branches, and herbs. Lighting, lanterns, Edison bulbs, candelabras with rustic finishes, and soft candlelight. Seasonal and personalized touches. Seasonal decor. Use rustic wreaths, autumn pumpkins, pine cones in winters, fresh flowers in spring. Personal items. Use family heirlooms, old books, or handcrafted souvenirs. Enhance the home's story. Functional beauty. Items like wooden crafts, benches, and hooks are both practical and decorative. The ultimate goal. Vintage Rustic Farmhouse Decor is about creating a home that feels timeless, lived in, and welcoming. It is not just about looking good, It is about feeling comfort, nostalgia, and warmth whenever you step inside. Modern adaptation, blending with contemporary, neutral modern furniture combined with vintage rustic accents. Minimalist rustic, focus on key signature features without overcrowding. Eco-conscious decor, using reclaimed materials, second-hand furniture, and sustainable textiles, align with the style's ethos. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is not just about aesthetics, it is a lifestyle and philosophy that combines comfort, history, natural beauty, and functional design into a cohesive, timeless home. Mix vintage and modern, blend antique features with modern furniture for functionality and comfort. Example: a sleek sofa with a reclaimed old coffee table. Repurposed old items, ladders as shelves, cradles as storage, barrels as tables. Add personal and handmade touches, display family heirlooms, old books, or vintage kitchenware. Incorporate handcrafted decor like rusted tireless, quartz, or pottery. These elements make your home feel unique and meaningful. Use natural inspired decor. Bring enchant flowers, branches, pine cones, or herbs for authenticity. Layer lighting. Combine natural light with warm, soft artificial lighting. Use lanterns, Edison bulbs, candlelights, and candles for cozy ambience. Highlight architectural features like beams or a fireplace with accent lighting. Keep it functional. Rustic farmhouse style values practicality. Open shelves, hooks, storage cradles, and baskets. Furniture should be both beautiful and useful. Avoid clutter. Choose items that serve a purpose while enhancing the decor. Add seasonal entertaining decor. Autumn, use pumpkins, plate throws, and rustic drapes. Winter, pine cones, candles, and cozy textiles. Spring or summer, use fresh flowers, light linens, and pastel accents. Rotating decor keeps your home feeling alive and fresh. Create cozy corners, a sitting nook with a vintage armchair, soft drawer, and a small side table. Window seats with cushions and coils. Fireplace or wood stove areas enhanced with rustic decor. Use walls wisely, exposed brick or anti-reclaimed oak paneling. Decorate with vintage mirrors, framed old photos, antique plates, or handmade sign. Open shelving can display both practical and decorative items. Highlight architectural feature, showcase exposed beams, wooden ceilings, or brick walls. Use reclaimed wood for accent walls or ceilings to add warmth. Frame windows simply with natural oak trims to keep a rustic charm. Mix old and new. Combine vintage furniture with modern essentials for functionality. Example: pair distressed wooden dining table with sleek modern chairs. Repurposed items like old ladders as bookshelves or cradles as side tables. Layer rugs and fabrics. Use multiple rugs for texture and coziness. Mix materials like jute, wool, and cotton. Add crocheted or quilted throws over sofas or chairs. Introduce nature. Decorate with plates, dried flowers, pine cones, or branches. Wooden bowls, baskets, or clay pots enhance natural textures. Free shelves in the kitchen add functionality and greenery. Use functional decor. Mason jars, baskets, hooks, and crates are both practical and decorative. Keep the space organized but maintain a casual lived-in vibe. Create cozy corners, treating nooks with soft cushions and blankets, window seats with layered truss, fireplaces areas enhanced with rustic decor. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.